Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Verizon Fios TV is not working and you are seeing no picture, no signal or the screen is stuck, it can be very frustrating, especially when everything was working fine before. You may try using the remote, changing channels or restarting the TV, but nothing seems to fix the issue. This problem usually happens because the connection between the Fios TV box, internet signal or cables is not stable. Sometimes it can also be caused by a temporary system error or service interruption. Since Verizon Fios TV depends on both network and hardware working together, even a small issue can stop everything from functioning. The key is to check each part step by step instead of guessing. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix Verizon Fios TV not working. Try these. 1. Check the power cable of the Verizon Fios TV box and make sure the Verizon Fios TV box is turned on. 2. Verify that the Verizon Fios TV box is properly connected to the network cable or router. Number 3. Restart the Verizon Fios TV box by unplugging the Verizon Fios TV box and plugging it back in. Number 4. Check the HDMI or cable connection between the Verizon Fios TV box and the TV. 5. Use the Verizon Fios TV remote to refresh or reboot the Verizon Fios TV system. Number 6. Confirm the Verizon Fios TV box is working by checking if channels load properly.